Hi everyone, welcome back to Friday Basics Part 4. In the last 3 parts, we learned different ways to factorize algebraic expressions. Today, we're going to learn one more important method, which is factorizing expressions with 4 terms. Let's get started. For example, we have AB plus AC plus BD plus CD. As you can see, there is no common term in each terms. So I'm gonna group these two terms together and these two terms together. For the first group, you can see A is common factor. So I'm gonna factor out A, and AB over A is B, AC over A is C, plus. And for the second group, you can see D is common factor. So factor out D, we will have B plus C. You can see that both groups end up with the same bracket, B plus C. So we can factor out this common factor, B plus C, and if you divide this term by B plus C, the remaining part is A, and for the second group is D. So this is the final answer of this question. And now, let's dive into example number 1, which is x squared plus 3x minus 4x minus 12. I'm going to factorize this expression by grouping. Okay, this can be the first group, and this is the second group. For the first group, x squared plus 3x, the common factor is x. So factor out x, we will have x plus 3. And for the second group, both are divisible by -4. So I'm going to factor out -4, and we have x plus 3. And you can see both ends up with the same bracket, x plus 3. So factor out x plus 3. We have x minus 4. So this is the answer of the first example. Dive into the second one. We have 5ab plus 10a plus bc plus 2c. Okay. Sometimes you can reorder the terms first. For example, I want to group 5ab with bc. Okay, so this is my first group. 5ab plus bc, the first group, plus, and the second group is 10a plus 2c. Okay, and now for the first group, B is common factor. So we have 5a plus c. And for the second group, 2 is common factor. So we have 5a plus c. And you can see that 5a plus c is the same bracket, which is common in both of them. So we have b plus 2, the answer of this question. And how about the last example? 3x squared plus xy plus 6x plus 2y. For this question, I want to use two different grouping. The first one, I want to group 3x squared plus xy plus 6x plus 2y. Okay, for this one, for the first group, x is common factor, so 3x plus y. And 6x plus 2y, the common factor is 2, we have 3x plus y. And you can see that The same bracket in both group is 3x plus y. So the remaining part is x plus 2. This is the answer. But let me to use another grouping, group number 2. Okay, so I'm gonna group 3x squared with 6x and xy with 2y. Okay, so in 3x squared plus 6x, the common factor is 3x. Okay, so we have x, and 6x over 3x is 2 plus. And for the second group, you can see that y is common factor. So if we factor out y, we have x plus 2, and you can see that x plus 2 is common factor. So the remaining part is 3x plus y. So you can see that if we compare these two, the answer is exactly the same. So we use different grouping, the first one and the second one, but the answer is exactly the same. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me. And I also highly recommend you to watch the last 3 parts of Friday Basics about factorization in different ways. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye for now.